Sanibona. Ninjani? Hi Ntsapseng. Ninjani investing journey yenu so far? Hi Mike. Ngicela abantu ba-mentioning ama-companies aba-investe ku on the comments. Ake ulibukusa ngalana asikaboni kahle. No, I'm showing you financial mail. Cela kuza badle ini. Ngisokozisa ngibuza umbuzo wakho, ucela ukubuza badle if unolwazi sis. Badle kanjani? Kusho ukuthini? Ngithenga kuphi lo financial mail? Ngiyithenga Shoprite, e-Checkers. Ku-section yama-magazine nama-newspaper. R42 phuma njalo ngeviki. Le edition yangomhla ka-1 to i-7 December. Kumba Mr. Price, property. What do you mean property? Barlow World, African Rainbow Capital, and Shoprite. Okay. Oh, ne property. Okay, but ngibuza ngama-shares nje. Etsy. Ufoxtrot ushare i-video namhlanje ekhuluma ngama-girls ewulwazi oluncane nje about investing. Uphinde washare i-video futhi namhlanje ngama-companies akhokha kakhulu, like ama-dividends kakhulu. Ngicela ukuthi uwa-check. Ngiwa-repostile nami. I haven't invested in easy equities, but I still need to check which ones are good to invest. Okay, Sipho, iyiphi industry ozoyi-target? Ngoba umbuzo wakho oqala lapho ufanele ubheke ukuthi iyiphi industry ozoyi-target ukuthi uzo-investa khona. Ucela ukubuza if unamakhandlela awu-2, elimhlophe neliyelo, elimhlophe ulibeka ngalaphi? Ukhuluma ngani msobo? Imayi, ufuna wenzani? Uyaphahla wenzani? Wenze njani ngempela? Welcome Foxtrot. Aka-understand bhuti ukuthi buthoko ukuthi uzowenzani amakhandlela. Eliyelo nelimhlophe. Mthabise kuhle kani ngempela.
Sanbonan.
Sabon.
I hope I'm not late.
No, you are not late. Sibona kona nje kuba ighost wakho nje. Ungihlekiseni yo. Foxtrot kodwa wena nedrama wena.
Straight up. You look tired. What's happening? You look tired. What's happening?
I am actually tired. I was sleeping. Ngivuka manje nje ngo 5 to 8. I was yeah. I think fanele ukuthi ngithathe rest mhlawumbe ngingabi live for maybe 1 day.
Yeah, no, this thing if you going live every day, it's not healthy.
Not health.
No, remember ngithi ngaphela ukuthi mina TikTok ngazela kubona abantu bedansa, not to create content. So yeah.
Manje, if it's hot, actually hot, are you gonna do that thing like we feel like all the time?
Yep. I won't post frequently. Like you saw the second video, I animated it, so I'd rather go and make more animations and explain and put content there.
Okay.
I'll show my face because you're born Abantu, especially with this thing. You see, when you post content about money or shares or whatever, people end up taking it and scamming people. You see, so
yes,
one of the reasons I don't want. So yeah. Okay.
But it was like maybe like a psychic group where you would be followed by umuntu who's a medium, and then umuntu medium inbox ufuna ukukwenzela i-reading. Like, why would you inbox umuntu uthathe an initiative ukuthi umuntu uzomenzela i-reading engacelanga, you know? Yeah. So yes, you are right. People must be careful, and maybe they will target me as well.
Yeah, they do that. Once you have a high following, there's this other accounting I follow. They have high followings. They talk about mine. So there are many other fake accounts under that. Yeah, but so I know what's happening in this one. But anyways, uzokhuluma ngani namhlanje? What are you talking about?
I think for something. Sikhuluma ngama-shares abantu aba-invested kuwona.
Okay. Bathina abantu ba-investe wini.
African Rainbow. Uhleka ngoba ngizama guys namanje ngingabonakali.
Yes, okay. African Rainbow. Sure ukuthi solunga nge-African Rainbow sibali siyithoka hambi kahle. Ngoba sibali.
Inkinga zodwa emhlabeni.
Kodwa uzophonyuka usibali. Uzophonyuka. Asabi. Uzophonyuka usibali. So
manje
yeah,
uyamthamba ukuthi uzophunyuka ukuthi nje ama-investment wethu nje asafe.
awuzophonyeka. Abantu bamesekayo noma
Eh,
bakhipha ama-brown envelope akunankinga, uzophonyuka usibali. Wenze kanjani asazi, yaba. So yeah. Okay. That video, it's an old video, so I just tweeted it. So the thing is that dividends differ on company growth. So no one company should be focused on why they say it paid good. Next day it may not pay good. Yeah, but some of them are
yeah.
unsustainable. If you check on Simply Wall Street, you'd see what is it's going to write whether they share dividends or whatever is sustainable or not. Because I need to know when now those CEOs are resigning, mabafuna resign, they make sure they increase ama earnings and dividends growth. Ukuthi nabo bathole imali yabo. So yeah. If you remember, Goldfields wanted to buy a mining company in Canada called Yamana. So a second company went in and they ruined that Goldfields deal. So that second company had to pay 300 million US dollars, which is roughly 5.8 billion rands in termination fees. Just enjoy with Bakipi Goldfields. That's why my earnings with Goldfields this year, that's in cash, will look good. Will look good. So but that company now it's also looking good. It's an American company. So yeah, that's that. So okay, I want to African rainbow and whatnot. It's born. Capital.
Mr. Price.
Hmm? Mr. Price.
Mm.
Let me see. Okay. Why did they buy Mr. Price?
Maybe ngoba bagqoke impahla zaka-Mr. Price and they spend a lot of money there. I don't know.
Oh yeah.
I guess.
No, that's true. Because
Yeah, it's
it's also important. But look, if you're going to buy shares, in my opinion, you should have a sector of interest. I want learn have a
mm.
sector of interest so that you better understand with okay. Let's say mining. If the minister signs a policy in South Africa, okay, you see it okay. This is what affects into Zamaganje. But if you have a lot of everywhere, Mr. Price, there and there and then there, you're going to have a problem keeping up. Yeah. So yeah, but that's fine. That's fine. Mr. Price does good as long as they can start making quality clothes. But as it in, yeah.
ngithande njani Mr. Price, shame.
Shoko, and if they start making better, they'll be fine because it's an issue with him. Yeah, but anyways, let's see African
Nontoba wena,
Rainbow.
where can we look up these companies?
Hmm?
Nontoba ubuza ukuthi where can we look up these companies? I'm not really sure what she means or where to find companies. Nontoba Ngcobo, can you please elaborate kuleyo mbuzo wakho ucacise kahle khona uzophenduleka kahle dadewethu.
G check out on JSE if bafuna company. The Johannesburg Stock Exchange. Uh-huh. You'll find
Now uvele
publicly.
usho Foxtrot uvele usho nje i-topic umuntu ongazi nani ongalele ngisho iy'ndaba ama-financials mase kufike lapho ey'ndabeni uyayiskipha wena uvele uthi umuntu akahambe eye ku-JSE.
Njani manje? Sorry, what did I skip?
No, ngisho ukuthi most yabantu bayaskipha mase kufika kuma-financials ey'ndabeni
Yeah.
like on the news, you know.
Yeah, no, they
Like
can skip.
not
Uh-huh.
even important. Like it's important ukuthi what is the like the trending thing in the country,
Oh, yeah.
like the head. It's not important kubantu ukuthi what's happening regarding the financials.
Yeah. Look, people don't really want to know the financials. And ufuna ukubona ukuthi imali yakhe izonyuka nini kanjani, yabona. So yeah. So ama-financials, they don't really need to keep up on that, but they at least need to know something, read an article or something. Angazi ukuthi ngiyawuphendula umbuzo wakho.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So we'll
Phendula
just
umkhulisi
okay. So ngibheke
is
i-article
asking how.
lena.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Qhubeka. We'll attend to your question manje.
Kumele ngibheke i-article la eka 31st October 2022 by Dividends Ranking. So they're saying the biggest publicly traded, right? It's Redefined Properties, Kumba Iron Ore, Exaro Resources, African Rainbow Mine, Growth Point, True Words, Resilient, Impala Platinum, Sibanye, and Old Mutual. Because that video I uploaded, it does a shared video from, it's a duet from this other guy. He did it in April. So it changes. So the top one at this point, but dividends pay differ because some pay quarterly. So you find that next year by the next quarter, find that some other companies paying better. Yabona. So bobuza ukuthini? What's happening?
No, uphendo ubuza ukuthi fanele ufake malini in order to make profits on easy equities.
To be honest, it's up to him. It's up to him. It's up
Yeah,
to
Pendo,
him.
ukuthi
He knows his pocket.
yeah, imali yakho ingakanani wena. Kodwa okubalulekile Phendu, uma ngabe uzo-investa uthenga ama-shares ey'nkampanini, fanele uzazi ukuthi leyo mali akuyona imali ozoyixakekela futhi uyazi ukuthi uyifaka for long term, 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, ukuya le. Akuyona imali ozothi ufuna ukuthi uphinde uyi-access mhlawumbe ngonyaka ozayo or ya imali fanele futhi uzazi ukuthi le mali oyi-investayo imali o-willing ukuthi uphile ngaphandle kwayo, uhlukane nayo. Ngethemba lokuthi uzobhenefitha ngokuhamba kwesikhathi ngoba iy'nkampani lezi uzobe uthenge kuzo zizobe sey'dlondlobele ukwazi ukuthi uzenzele inzuzo-ke ngayo leyo mali. Kodwa kufanele kube imali oyitshela ukuthi wena imali ozophinde uyixakekele. Kubalulekile-ke uma umuntu ukuthi ngaphandle kwemali oyichitha ey'dingweni zakho, iba nayo imali yakho esevile, ama-emergency savings, ube nayo imali yakho oyi-investayo. Yiyo-ke le ezongena ku-easy equities. So kuya ngawe, angeke sekukalele ukuthi wena ufaka malini, kodwa okubalulekile uma uthenga ama-shares ey'nkampani, zijwayeze ukuthenga nje ama-shares noko abambekayo ayisambana, ukuze mase usewenza inzuzo uzokwazi ukwenza inzuzo ebonakalayo. Angenza isibonelo, mhlawumbe uthenga isheya manje libiza u-R10. Mina uma uthenga amasheya amabili nje kuphela kuleyo nkampani, uchitha u-R20. Uma ngabe leyo nkampani yakho isibi, mhlambe eminyakeni ezayo isheya lakhona likhule, mhlambe libe u-R20 isheya, okusho ukuthi wena usuzokwenza u-R40. Ukube uthenga ama-shares mhlambe noko kusuka ku-100 ukuya phezulu, ubuzokwazi ukwenza noko imali ebonakalayo. So kulapho-ke i-advice. So kuya ngawe ukuthi wena unamalini ozoyi-spenda ekuthengeni ama-shares. Awukalelwa, u-investa ngani noma ingamalini. Nontobeko Ngcobo uchaza ukuthi singawabona kanjani ama-companies a-right to invest into if uzibhekela wena. Sikhuluma ngayo lento nontobeko zonke iy'nsuku nje ngane yakwethu ukuthi qala ube ne-sector ozoyi-target-a kuqala. Ngeke uvele nje uyokhetha noma iyiphi inkampani ngokuthi iy'nkampani uyazazi ziningi kanjani uma ubheka kwi-Johannesburg Stock Exchange kune-top 40 yey'nkampani. Ngokuhlukana-ke kwemikhakha yazo ziningi nje, siqala kwi-top 40. Ngiyenza isibonelo ukuthi lo mbuzo ubuzayo u-broad kangakanani. Wena fanele ukuthi uy'khethele wena njengoba wazi ukuthi maningi ama-sector, mining, retail, financial services, banks, uyabona nje izinto ey'hlukahlukene, miningi imikhakha. Wena qala lapho ukukhetha ukuthi mina ngizongena kumuphi umkhakha, mhlawumbe imuphi umkhakha engiwazi kangconywana noma okuzoba lula ukuthi wena u-understand-e ngoba ngithi once ukhethe leyo sector kuzokusiza ukuthi ngishiye iy'ndaba oy'khonzyumayo, mhlawumbe uyazi ukuthi ayi mina ey'ndabeni mhlawumbe namhlanje kukhulunywa kakhulu ngentengantenga kwey'randi, kuyi-affect-a kanjani i-sector yami lokho. Kuzokusiza lapho-ke ukukhetha i-sector yakho ngoba ngesikhathi usukhetha i-sector wena uyakwazi ukuthi uthi okay, izinto ezenzakalayo njengamanje ezweni ziyi-affect-a kanjani i-sector yami, okusho ukuthi le sector la uzokhetha khona la uthenge khona ama-shares wakho usubheka ukuthi ayi nazi izinto zizo-affect-a le sector kanje kanje. Usuyabona ukuthi ya kubaluleke ngalokho ukuze uzokwazi ukuthi u-understand-e izinto ezenzeka kuleyo industry oyikhethile nokuthi i-affect-a kanjani iy'nkampani oyithenga kuzona. Qala lapho kuqala. How's Choppies? Choppies, Choppies. How's Choppies, guys? Foxtrot, how's Choppies?
What is choppies, guys?
Choppies is a retail, they finished, but they listed. They are expanding that I know for sure. I do own maybe a couple of shares from Choppies too. I've had an interest to go on, but not in detail. Foxtrot
Retail is not.
Choppies actually say kapane roy lo ukuthi sibheke ngeke.
No. Not even retail is not my strong point.
Yeah, yeah.
Uh, I stick there by mining and finance, because retail is tricky, guys. Retail is tricky, but
Yeah.
yeah.
Nontobeko, ividiyo lesikhuluma ngayo uyambona i-Foxtrot Zulu lo? Uzongena kwi-profile yakho uyibheke leyo video.
I'll update
Kwi-profile.
something there, but they're by my profile soon. So yeah. But if people believe in it, it's fine. I think it says funa ukuyigijimela ngoba yasekhaya, or it's from our hometown. That's an issue, typically, because retail is volatile to many things. Yeah,
Mm.
it's volatile to many things. So yeah. Can I jump off for now and then I'll turn back?
Sure. Ucela ngikuphinde ngamafutha enhlwathi. Eyi mina anikho right. Yazi ukuthi nina anikho right ngempela niyisizwe esimnyama. Amavidiyo lawa okay-ke akhuluma ngolwazi nje ngezinto. Angisho ukuthi into engathi shu. Kodwa uma ngibuka indlela enibuka ngayo lawa amanye amavidiyo. Hayi. Hey. Kodwa izinto ey'khuluma ngemali, wonke amavidiyo akhuluma ngezinto eziyimali wabheka ukuthi abantu babhaya kancane kanjani. Angishuthi kodwa nina anginibaleke kodwa phela lapho. Kodwa nje iyamangalisa indlela iy'ngqondo zethu ezi-selective ngayo kwi-content esifuna ukuyi-consume, especially esikhathini samanje. Kodwa-ke phela akufanele ukuthi umuntu umjaje ngoba sisey'gabeni ey'hlukahlukene zempilo. So mhlambe kimi kubalulekile ukwazi ngey'mali, komunye akubalulekile njengamanje. So ngizokuphinda ngamafutha enhlwathi. Bengithi ngifuna ukurekhoda enye ividiyo manje yazi. Kwasho ukuthi nje ngikhathele. Thanks, and I always buy shares for 150 from last year. Awukhulu kunalokho u-red. Okay. Phendula Umkholisi. Iziphi inkampani lizo-investe kuzona? Chaza lokho kuqala. Khona sizobona ukuthi yini inkinga yamashares owakhethile. Ubuthemos andityaniswa nantoni ukuze yande mfuyo. Kaloku noZulu asithethe ngaloo nto apha. Asithethe ngalama adityaniswa noboya begalipiki. Uboya begalipiki. Awalazi igalipiki uba yintoni? Okay, noNtobeko. Kwesinye ipage nothi ukumisa kanye naleli page. Hayi phela nje ngithabise ngolwazi ngesiZulu nalo ngizokwenza kanjani? Fanele ngiphume manje futhi kule topic yaka equities ngoba la ekhaya nena progress. Okay. Ngithabise since wena ujoinile usu invest enkampanini engaki? Abantu siyathanda thina ukuba entertained, yazi ukuthi siba entertained for just for fun. Kube mnandi ukuthi okay uyazi manje ukuthi yini equity is like ngiyawuthatha nje action like khona into eniyenzayo. 5. Okay, that's good. 5. Which companies? Ni-investe kumaphi ama-companies? Yatam Hotel. Awungene phela la Tam Hotel ngizoxoxa nawe ngizokubuza ngo-Betway ngiyadlala ngizokubuza ngama-companies. My first investment from Capitec yalahleka sisi but ngathenga before nge-active. Ngithabise usho ukuthini? Ngiyaphila Tam Hotel. I-investment yakho yokuqala ya-Capitec yalahleka. Wathenga before activate ifika document, so wa-create i-account wathenga ama-shares before wenze ifika information. Awuchaze Nthabiseni noma awujoyine lana ungichazile lento oyishoyo. Angizwa nje mina lento oyishoyo. Iyalahleka kanjani i-account yakho? Noma ungasayikhumbuli i-password? Iyalahleka usuthengile ama-companies? Angizwa kahle mngani. Ake nixoxe njengoba namhlanje ku-December 6. December 6? Yeah. It's a Tuesday, December 6th. Imaphi ama-goals aninawo equities wise for this month? What is your plan, your goal? Phendlo. Iwona ama-companies o-investe kuwo lawo. Okay. Richmond. Okay, Job. Emplan wakho ukuthenga ama-shares more aphesheya. Ngiyakhumbula le conversation esasina le. You must consider lawo ama-companies. Ngobsi ngobane mbomvu unjani? Hi sicelos. Seniwafakile lawo ku-watch list. Ku-easy equities US dollar account. Oh. Uyaqala ungena kule live. Okay, Phendlo. Injani experience yakho no easy equities like knowledge yakho lapha? Basic, intermediate, advanced? Abapheshile lawo engiwakhethile. Okay, so leya yabo ama-stocks aku-US dollar account esasikhuluma ngayo ukuthi siyawa-add-a kwi-watch list yethu. Chevron no-Oxy. Occidental Petroleum Corporation. It's just the two engikwazi ukwa-screenshot mina, but I think awu-5 esasixoxe ngawo ngelinye ilanga. Kodwa ungaqala-ke phela la. Ngomunye oqala kodwa engathi kuningi kuyafundwa la. Yebo mbomvu. Sikhuluma ngo-easy equities, sicushisana nangolwazi ukuthi njengendle emnyama siyathenga phela nathi ama-shares. Siyeke ukuthi singathengi ngoba nakho sasivaleleke ngaphandle kudala. So-ke ekufundeni kwethu la ngo-easy equities azisigcine nje ngokufundisana ukuthi uyenza kanjani, create kanjani i-account nje, siyasizana ngokubuzana imibuzo, sibheke iy'nkampani. Abantu abe-investa kuzo, nesiplani uku-investa kuzo. Sasize sinama-group impela lana. Mabili manje ama-group. Enye eyokuqala kungena nje abantu abasafunda, i-link ikwi-bio. Mawusawu-basic. Enye yesibili i-group ila sesikhethane khona siyiqoqela abantu abangaphansi kuka-20 sizothenga ama-shares. Noko-ke lapho akufunakali abantu abaseno-basic knowledge but hayi. Siphinde futhi nangemigqibelo singene ku-Zoom si-analyze ama-stocks, sifundisane ngoku-analyze ama-financials ezinkampani. Ukuze uzothi noma uyibheka inkampani noma usukhethile ukuthi hayi mina ngifuna ukukhetha uShoprite, ngifuna ukuthenga kaShoprite. Yazi-ke ukuthi-ke uShoprite ezezimali zakhona zime kanjani. Maningi nama-websites esiwasherayo la ukuthi ungawabheka ukuze uzokwazi ukuthi ubone i-performance yenkampani. Njengo-Wall Street nje uyakwazi ukuthi ufake igaba lenkampani ukubhake ubhekele yonke into ukuthi ame kanjani ama-ratio. Uyathenga nje ushiye kanjalo, uthenga kodwa usuke ukhethe kanjani. Yini into esenza ukuthi ukhethe leyo nkampani bese uyayithenga uyishiye kanjalo. Vele fanele wenza kanjalo uma u-investa. Awuzulokhu ungena usuku nosuku uyobheka ukuthi-ke ishare lakho selinjani namhlanje, selinjani namhlanje. Okay. Sisakhuleka. Okay. Ngopsi. One day sokhuluma ngale ndaba yokuba amakholo. Nibe nabantu abamnyama. Do you think ngingalibeka ithemba lakho ku-Tesla? Wena uthini? Wafuna ukuthi mina ngiconfirme em ama-interest akho. Mangathi cha la ungathini? Ungathini wena? Ngoba phela wena fanele ukuthi isicelo njengoba wena ususho ukhombisa i-interest ku-Tesla, fanele ukuthi ube wena uzume ngisho nangomlenze kodwa ummeli uTesla wakho ngisho noma mina ngingathini. Wena uthini wena ngoTesla? Siyabonga Simiso. Wonke a-red negative from last year awanyuki. Yini eyenza lokho Phendu? Fanele ubuze phela ukuthi yini eyenza lokho. Angithi manje vele kwi-recovery phase. Sakwi-recovery phase. In 4 days. You haven't checked them in 4 days. I haven't checked mine in a month. Yini umehluko ku-Easy Equities no-TFSA? U-Easy Equities uyinkampani, ngaphansi kwayo uyakwazi ukuthola ngisho tax-free savings account. So Easy Equities is just i-account phezulu. Ngaphansi kwa-Easy Equities uba ney'nhlobo zama-account ey'hlukahlukene. Njengoba wena uno-Capitec, u-Capitec
Sanibonani.
nendawo yokuseva, yebo sicelo, uyaseva ku-Capitec, ubani bani lezi zinto zakhona, ama-products amaningi ngaphansi kwa-Capitec, right? So Easy Equities is like a main account la uvula khona i-account yakho, then you will automatically get tax-free savings account under your Easy Equities, okusho ukuthi ungasave imali utilizing that instrument ebizwa nge-tax-free savings account. Uphinde ube ne-ZAR account la ukwazi ukuthenga khona ama-shares ey'nkampani, ube Easy Equities US dollar account. Maningi-ke nje depending ukuthi wena ufunani. Ziningi nje, maningi ama-products oba nawo automatically just nje by signing up ka-Easy Equities. Hi Sicelo, njani?
Yebo sis, ngiyaphila njani?
Pho.
Njengoba bengibuza mayelana ne-Tesla ukuthi ucabanga ukuthi ngingalibeka yini ithemba lami kuyo, and then wasubuza ukuthi mina ngithini ngalokho. So ngibona ukuthi mhlampe ngizochaza kangcono uma ngizokhuluma kanjena than ukuthayipha ngoba ama-comments ayakhuphuka.
Yebo.
I personally believe
Chaza bhuti.
ukuthi i-Tesla singa-investa kuyona. Hello?
Chaza bhuti, ngizama
Yebo.
ukutshaja la mina. Ungakhuluma bhuti, ungakhuluma,
Oh,
qhubeka.
okay.
Ngizama ukutshaja.
Alright. Ngikholelwa ukuthi singakwazi ukuthi sibeke ithemba lethu kuyo, si-investe kuyona. Ngoba-ke umhlaba ngithi unale nkinga le ye-global warming nani nani, so bakhala ngezimoto, beze bekhala ngisho nangamalahle lawa enza ugesi ukuthi ayawulimaza umhlaba. And i-Tesla angithi ibasebenzisa ama-electric cars. So ikusasa njengamanje singasho sithi mhlampe lilele khona lapho ngoba nogesi nawo uzoshintsha uye kwi-nuclear system. So i-Tesla ngibona ngathi iyona nto engcono noma iyona ndawo engcono esingakwazi ukuthi si-investe kuyona, since-ke bengama-electric cars and isa-develop-a njengamanje, ayikafiki nala e-South Africa, but as time goes on ngiyakholelwa ukuthi mhlampe izogcina isiyande kakhulu leyo moto, isithengwa futhi kakhulu lana la eMzansi. So yeah, ngicabanga ukuthi singakwazi ukuthi si-investe kuyona ngoba
Zithemeze
njengoba
imali.
ngisho ukuthi
Ubhekile?
eh kade ngigcinile ukuyi-check-a, yazi senginesikhathi nje ngagcina ukuyi-check-a, kodwa nje kahle kahle kwi-USD account yami angisafake lutho njengamanje, nga-withdraw everything due to isimo engangibhekene naso-ke sangiphoqa ukuthi ngigcine sengithatha, yabo, ngasala
Yeah.
kuphela neza account. Kodwa nje uma sengi-right and now I know ukuthi uma ngi-investa akusamele lokhu ngibuye ngiyontshontsha, just nje ngiyayifaka ngiyayikhohlwa, simple as that. So
Okay, so
ngine iza account ngibe ne T. Hello?
no, bengifunda i-comment yakho la ukuthi
Ngineza account.
awukwazi ukuhlaziya.
Oh yes, amna angihlaziyi kuyangihlula just nje ngiya kwigama like let's say ngiya kwi-M_T_N. Okay, u-M_T_N uyaziwa, ngiya-investa, simple as that. And ngi-check-a ukuthi ishare lakhona libiza kangakanani bese ngi-check-a ukuthi belibiza kangakanani before. So ukuthi mhlampe liyakhuphuka noma liyehla-ke, but ngilithanda kakhulu uma lehla bese ngikwazi ukuthi ngithenge kakhulu uma lehla. That's same like i-Purple Group. Ama-shares e-Purple Group a-cheap kakhulu, believing ukuthi mhlampe one day azokhula bese sidla kangcono futhi kuwona, asazi.
Hi, but Sicelo unjani kodwa?
Ngiyaphila Mageba, ngezwa wena.
Compare the PE ratio of iTesla ne-Mercedes ne.
Okay.
Yabona ukuthi iTesla is still behind on delivery issues, and Mercedes bheka la South Africa, electric cars siphethe u-Audi, siphethe u-VW, siphethe u-BM, siphethe u-Mercedes. So iTesla it's still behind on delivery, yabona, but yona it's a good company. Mina into engisho ukuthi ungayibheki yodwana, also consider
Yeah.
Lucid Air. Lucid Air bayikhiphile imoto yabo, it has better offerings. There's also other companies ngakhohliwe, but yeah, yona it's a good thing, but there's an argument.
Sure.
Sure.
Hayi, qeda nje qeda.
Okay. So it's a good company, Tesla, but the argument, even Elon Musk says that it may be overvalued, but people are worried that Elon Musk is neglecting a Tesla to focus on a Twitter, to focus on a SpaceX. So if he neglects it, go salama accountant, and angzwane nama accountant ngazonda kabi ngoba bazowona production. Yabona. But look into that. Yeah, and it's a good company. Yeah. All right. Mr. Tamiltel, you were saying put on. Tamiltel.
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you now.
Loud and clear.
All right. Bengithi mina with the neglection that you're talking about, I don't think he completely abandoned the plans for Tesla because he also released a report on the 1st of November with the plans to initiate the pickup trucks on delivery and to also venture into sports cars, which mean individually, I also think it has a potential by next year. But with in South Africa in particular, I think there's gonna be a bit of a problem between the nuclear energy and the coal, because we still have a lot of coal, especially in United States. They still do have coal stations, which it's part of their percentage in energy. I understand that they do have a lot of nucleus, but it's also something that they still use. And we are in a crisis right now, but we're sitting on a gold of coal, that we can use for the next up to 300 years that they estimated. So I think because there also some debate about the issue with the initiation of nuclear and all those things. So I believe me now, Tesla, United States, it still has a potential unless there's some initiation in South Africa that can change a little bit of things. So I am up for any information that you guys have also, but that's what I've noticed so far.
Oh, yes.
Because I'm looking at the report. I'm looking at the report right now, but I wanted to read it. Manje, I'm using my phone, so I'm doing maximize la. Then, like this, not maximize, sorry, minimize. But I think I'm failing for you guys to hear me. I don't know if
But
you
I
can
think,
still hear me if I do the minimize.
with Tesla, no? Can you hear me?
Sure.
Yes.
Tesla has
Yeah,
potential.
yeah, I can hear you, bro.
My worry is that Elon's priorities are not in a place. He has many products to offer. Remember the power walls. The power walls, Tesla would be leading in them. They would be even supplying national grids with them, but he's not focusing on them. He's saying he's building. What I know is that they're building on a low cost electric car, which is going to be less than $20,000. Now, quality issues may arise, but that's fine. I saw that semi truck. That's why I'm saying it's a good company with potential if they maximize it. If they took data, which the Tesla car records, and sold it to insurance companies or start an insurance company based on that data, they would make money. Because this focus now is on artificial intelligence also. You saw Guti, he introduced that thing, that robot yeah, Hambi, which is not really moving. Yeah, but yeah, it's a good company. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
you know,
though. I think everyone is in the same page. You can
Yeah,
continue,
ngifuna
Stella.
ukuchallenge
You can
usicela
continue.
ukuthi
no, bengithi mina, yeah, it's a good company,
usicela
but ngiyabona ukuthi njengamanje maningi abantu ekhompyutha nabo, so nalokho futhi mhlampe kungayenza ukuthi igcine idropha.
Oh, they're competing, but
And
all
what?
those companies. You remember? You know why those companies are still? Sorry, can I?
Yebo, ngkhona.
They are competing with those companies, but
Yes.
those companies battle intellectual property from Elon Musk. The technology they're using,
Oh,
intellectual property by Elon Musk. He didn't patent it. He did not request patents on purpose. Had he done that, no one would catch up with Tesla. So Ute akafuna ukuthi ayenze this thing, ama-patents, because he wants everyone to use electric cars and whatnot.
okay.
And another thing, if you wanna hold a Tesla, my brother, I think you need to give it plus minus 5 years to 10 years to realize some good profit on it, because it will take time, man. It will take time.
Mm. Kodwa-ke phela angithi
kuze
vele it's a long term.
yeah.
Ngani uyazi ukuthi bakhona labo ukuthi athi mina ngifuna ukuthenga iShoprite, then I check after 2 days ukuthi ufuna kubona ukuthi okay, so wenzile yini profit and stuff. There's always that yabona leyo ish, especially if uqala yabo, because lana we have a lot of people labasacala ku-investa and all that. So umuntu eager for i-profit and stuff yabo. If angabona i-era down, abona ibovu athi hey, I'm losing my money and all that, go crazy athi hayi bolwazi Fox, they just misleading us and all that. But we need to also inform people that guys, this is all about it's actually like it's gambling, but this is more intelligent gambling. Young told. So you need to also know what you're doing. And ube umuntu obuka ama stocks wakho in a future eye, like uyibuke in terms of a future, not in terms of a short term, so that you can also benefit kuyo.
Mina mangisafika kwi-easy equity, As I used to log in every single day, check ukuthi kwenzakalani. And into engangiyenza enye like if ngibona ukuthi iyadropha ngivele ngiwadayise ama-shares ngigijime ngiye ngalapha engathi ingcono ngakhona yabo. But kukho konke lokho ngazitshela into eyi-one, kukhona that company i-ArcelorMittal. ArcelorMittal noma kuthiwa ngidlala kanjani bengingayi kuyona, always engikufake kuyona bengikubeka njengoba kunjalo, bengingafuni ukuthi ngikumoshe. But nje amanye, yeah, I used to do that a lot. Ngicabanga ukuthi lapho futhi engamesa apha khona izinto eziningi.
Ya, wawusadlala izi-equities-ke manje awusamdlali ku-equities manje usuyamazi izi-equities.
Yeah, no, like
Mina,
ngangisazifundisa.
I remember. Mina, I remember since I'm into property, I remember my first stock was City Lodge, the hotel. I bought that those shares. Then I saw good time and I vumi le nto yabona. I think I had more than 50 shares because they are a bit cheap yabo. Then I sold those shares nami ngina leyo, you know, ina leyo mindset yokuthi time man, I'm losing now, let me sell, you know. But realizing after start you could know, man, this is how you do it, because I also follow a lot of people, so it goes with time also. Yeah.
Ya, uqinisile Time will tell. Kodwa-ke sicelo since-ke unalo ulwazi manje no-basic woku-investa, ngicela ukuthi uyi-challenge bhutami ukuthi ufunde ukuhlaziya ama-financials. Mhlawumbe ujoyine igroup yange-weekend uzokwazi ukuthi ufunde kahle. Ngisezwakala nje
Ngiyakuzwa kakhulu sisi.
Oh, okay. Fuze uyabuza ukuthi ungena
Yeah,
kanjani kwi-group
ngiyakuzwa mina.
Okay, igroup yama-beginner mchaze fuze ungena kuyo kwi-bio, i-link kwi-bio yongena egroupini. Easy property
Folks, nje bosokhulumile
Alright,
nge-Pan
ngisacela ukuphuma
American
ke ngidedele abanye bekwazi ukungena nabo.
Corporation.
Okay, but okay, sharp.
Later. Anguzwa. Time.
I was asking if have you like shared about the Pan American Corporation yet?
I don't think so. That one requires people with appetite, my guy. People will jump. No, true. I was listening to the. I was listening to the. I was listening to the conference call the CEOs of Pan American held. I think a month back. So what they were saying, yeah, I was listening at what they were saying. So many people will jump because of some issues, because they did have issues with the ground and taking out some silver. And remember, when they bought Yamana, they inherit the debt. They said there was some things they were unsure about.
Yeah.
And but to be honest,
but
it's
I
a good
believe me now,
company.
for them to see potential in.
Mm-hmm.
For them to see potential there, I think they have calculated the losses and everything, and they also have realized the potential of a profit in that business.
True. No, they did. If you go to the company and listen to the conference call, you'll hear what they're saying has sense. Yeah, but so, what the reason they invested and what really attracted them. Yeah, but so when you listen properly, you see it okay. Because they want to also expand their geographic location.
How long is the stock? How long the stock was on his equities?
It's on. What do you mean? Sorry. Usho kanjani?
I mean, basiliste nini ku-easy equities? Because it sounds like the company it's new, or they bought the company, it's already on easy equities.
No, it's already on his equities. It's in the American stock. It's an American company.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, like, because obvious everything is listed there. So I was talking about, yeah. But you get me, bro.
Okay. No, you can explain. You mean the company they bought?
Nah, I think it's fine. I
Oh,
think it's
okay.
fine. Elwazi kunomuntu obuzayo like significantly melanated uthi hi mna bafethu, I need to withdraw like yesterday, I need that money there.
Why significantly melanated? You don't do that in the investment.
December effect lo.
Yo, guys, akwenziwa kanjalo. Kufana noNthabiseng akayeke ukunqozula imali ye-investment yakhe ya-Old Mutual. Ayenziwa leyo nto. Into eyenziwa abantu abadala leyo ngoba bengazi uh like, how can you go and uyotshala bese uyahamba futhi uyophinda uyokhipha into oyitshalile, like, yabo, ungayenzi nje leyo nto significantly uma usuxakekele kwi-investment. Omunye ubefuna ukwazi ukuthi uyibona kanjani i-share price. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi umuntu osemusha loyo. Ama-share price uthi uma ungena, uma une-app yaka-Easy Equities uyakwazi ukuthi ungene kuma-companies, ungene uklikhe kuyona bazokuchazela yonke into nje ubone kahle. Uma ungena ku-Capitec nge-app yaka-Capitec, kuleyo widget ya-Capitec, ama-companies wonke, let's say mhlawumbe usungenile waloga in, wasayina in, then uyafuna uku-investa. When you say invest, bazokhombisa a list of ama-company, kuzoba inkampani, i-share price, inkampani, i-share price. Siney'ndlovu. Ngithabiseke uyohlezi uyisibonelo ngoba mina wena uyisibonelo sento embi yenziwa abantu. Ungayenzi le nto nje, ungaphinde uyenze, uhambe uyoncuzula investment. I would like to know about Easy Equities. Okay. U-Easy Equities inkampani engaphansi kwa-Purple Group, listed name ku-JSE Purple Group. Yes, so-ke inkampani engaphansi kwayo-ke enye yezinto abazenzayo-ke u-Purple Group ile yokusiza ukuthi si-investe, sithenge ama-shares. U-Easy Equities-ke wayeqalwe nge-idea yokuthi kuvuleleke uwonke ekutheni sikwazi ukuthi sithenge ama-shares ngoba phela ngisiyazi ukuthi ukuthenga ama-shares ngaphambilini bekowomntakabani abadla izambane likapondo, okusho ukuthi thina-ke besingangeni lapho singazi nanokuthi kwenziwa njani, futhi singanandaba ngoba vele sesingaphandle already, ngenxa yokuthi bekufunakala iy'zumbulu zey'mali ukuze ukwazi ukuqala u-invest, uthenge ama-shares ey'nkampanini. Manje kwizi-Equities-ke wavulela le platform ukuthi abantu bakwazi ukungena-ke. Ngesikhathi mina ngijoyina eminyakeni emibili edlule, busangena nje ngoba nakhu uzule ngo-Easy Equities, ungene kwiwebhusayithi yakhona, usayine up njengoba usayine up ku-Facebook page, kuwukuthi phela bazokubuza imininingwane eminingi, oma-ID nani, noma-SARS, income tax reference number, into ey'njalo. Kuthe ngokuhamba kwesikhathi, ngiyacabanga somnyaka ophelile ba-partnerisha no-Capitec. Ngasizathu sani naso ukuthi i-most yabantu abanemali engenayo kuma-akhawunti wabo futhi aba-active, i-most yabo abamaklayenti aka-Capitec. Niyazi-ke nathi ukuthi amaklayenti aka-Capitec ngoba u-Capitec akanawo ama-charges amaningi nje, njengoba nazi ukuthi u-Capitec nje akekho umuntu ongena-Capitec. So bathagetha-ke labo bantu-ke abamaklayenti aka-Capitec ngokuthi bapartnerishe-ke nawo uCapitec ukuze kuzoba lula-ke kuma-client aka-Capitec ukuthi abantu bathenge ama-shares. Yikho uthi wena uma usungena kwi-app yakho ya-Capitec uzobona le widget ebhale izi-equities. Yiyo-ke lento esuke sikhuluma ngayo la. Uma ungayiboni le widget ethi izi-equities kwi-app yakho ya-Capitec, uma unawo uCapitec uzoyibheka ku-explore. Leyo nto-ke into esiyichazayo. Basic lo ungena lo usayine up ulogile wenzeni. Uthi uma usuphakathi-ke izi-equities usuyi-create-ile i-account yakho uzoba ney'nhlobo zama-account ngaphansi kwa-izi-equities. Eyokuqala iza-account lokwazi ukuthenga khona ama-shares ey'nkampani la e-South Africa, o-Shoprite, obani, o-Mr Price, into ey'njalo ngenza isibonelo. Uphinde ube no-tax-free savings account. U-tax-free savings account enye nayo i-account ekhona okwazi ukuthi u-save imali yakho ingathintwa intela. Akhona amavidiyo achazayo ku-YouTube channel Ulwazi ngesiZulu. Kukhona nala mavidiyo la kule account, akhona amavidiyo unikeza isikhathi uwafunde, noma ungeke uze ucoshe ukutheni, uzoba nje ne-understanding ukuthi kwenziwani la, yini izi-equities, uwalalele lawo mavidiyo. Ungalaleli amafutha enhlwathi kuphela. Bese-ke khona lapho uthi usukhetha nakhona-ke, angithi kuye ngokujula. Usazi nje wena ukuthi uyakwazi ukuthenga ama-shares, uyakwazi uku-investa ku-tax-free savings account, uyakwazi ukuthenga ama-companies alistwe e-America, e-London, e-Australia, nje kuyahlukahlukana. Kuya ngokuthi ufuna ukwenzani. Ukwazi ngisho ukuthenga ku-Easy Properties, kuyahlukahlukana-ke. Uyadipha manje uyajula nawo izi-equities. Ukukhetha kwakho inkampani awuvele nje uyodumela noma iyiphi inkampani oyifunayo la ufuna ukuyithenga. Fanele ukuthi ukukhetha kwakho kwenkampani kube isinqumo osithatha ngoba usuyibhekile le nkampani ukuthi ake ngimbheke u-Mr Price. Izabo zey'mali zime kanjani? Mhlambe ngabe ikusasa lika-Mr Price limi kanjani? Uzokwazi laphi lokho na? Uzokwazi ngokubheka ama-financials enkampani u-Mr Price. Uzokuthola kuphi lokho na? Kwiwebsite yabo yakhona. Wena usabheka ipeshali manje uma ungena ka-Mr Price, usuyobheka wena ama-financial reports. Fanele ukuthi kula ma-financial reports ukwazi uku-interpret ukuthi lokhu kusho ukuthi ilokho-ke sifundisana khona. Njengoba simane sijula nje. So okubalulekile ukuthi wena ngoba usuyazi nge-equities, qala-ke ngoba ngeke uze ufunde ngokujoyina i-live zonke iy'nsuku ungekho u-action owuthathayo. Ngiyathemba ukuthi ngikuchazile kahle Sibonga. Wezwa ukuthi yini izi-equities. Ngingakubala i-Capitec. Thambo tell, kaze uyi-withdraw-aphi imali yakho ya-Betway wena? But how do you buy them? Ntosho, uyawathenga nje phela ngithi ngenza isibonelo no-Capitec. Wena u-withdraw-a ngayo impela u-Capitec Betway wakho ama-slip. Uqala noma ingamalini Ntosho ukuthenga ama-shares. Ngisho ngabe no-R10, ngisho ngabe no-R20, ngisho ngabe kuthiwa asithi mhlambe ishare njengoba manje la ka-Capitec liya liyoku-2,000 nje. Ungathenga ngisho ngo-R10, uthenge i-fraction ye-share noma ingxenye ye-share la ka-Capitec. Ngaleyo mali onayo uyakwazi ukuthi uthenge. Awukaleli, uwena okalelayo ngokwazi iphakethe lakho ukuthi ayi mina mhlambe lo 2,000 osele nje wemali yami ngizothatha u-1.5 ngithenge ngawo ama-shares. Sekufanele ukuthi lo 2,000 o-1.5 wakho ucabangela ukuthi hey, imaphi ama-stocks a-right-ke kufanele ngiwathenge. Yikho-ke sikule-live siyacoshisana ukuthi kwenzakalani ngale nkampani. Sibuzane, sicobelelane ngolwazi. O-Foxtrot nje noThabo Tell bayasifundisa kakhulu ukuthi yini ofanele uyibheke ngenkampani. Ukuthenga kwakho uzothenga kuyi-app yakho. Ngithe ma uno-Capitec uzologa in kwi-app yaka-Capitec. Uloge in kuleyo widget yaka-equities. Uma ungena lapho uyakwazi ukubona ukuthi nangu ubhaliwe u-apps, i-share price yakhona ubani. Discam nayo i-share price yakhona. Pick n Pay your clicks. Uyakwazi ukubheka ama-companies kanjalo, uyakutshela nje i-share price uyayibona ukuthi imalini. Uma ungena ngo-Capitec kulula kakhulu. Uma ungena ngo-Easy Equities app kufanele ungene uklikhe inkampani ngenkampani, but nakhona bayakutshela ukuthi imalini i-share price. It has not been verified. It has been a month now waiting for it to be verified. I can't invest. Phumi, wena wenzeni? Like, have you contacted Easy Equities support? Basendele i-email, ubafonele, ubone ubuze ukuthi yini into elindiwe nge-account yakho. I-email yona bake bakuthumela. Ntosh, you are welcome. Hey, okay. Foxtrot, time will tell. Since njani this weekend we see on ngomgqibelo 12 or 6 p.m. like last time.
Yeah, we can be online.
Is it possible to make it 8 o'clock Saturday? It's fine. I don't know.
Okay.
Edlalayo time will tell.
No, come on, it's just Saturday. I'm just
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too.
just up for any option, G.
Yeah, no, that's right.
Fox is available anytime. Fox is available.
No,
That's my guy, bro.
no. This Saturday I'm not sure, but yeah, maybe 8 works.
This Saturday, this Saturday, yeah, that's why. Saturday maybe when you be late, or meaning you be available. I don't know, but
Yeah.
around 8, I'm sure that I'll be sorted.
Okay, no, you can. Yeah, you can do it. That's fine.
Okay.
Can you hear me?
Uthini Loss?
No, ku-right, mina ngi-right ngaleso sikhathi, anginankinga.
Okay, no, that's good.
Yeah, no problem. Uzoba nesikhathi enough for ukushaya ama-video emafutha. Angazi mafutha ani.
Okay, no. By the way, that animal is endangered, so whoever bazomthola ipet will be in trouble with the law. Yes. Yeah, boss.
I think it's the first time seeing that animal. Iyakuphi animal kahle kahle?
It's a
Like
python.
What
where is the
animal
origin of that animal? Where it's dominant?
No,
Ikuphi?
they're dominant everywhere in South Africa. So there's some protection of even some trees. If Baktola we are kata, yeah, boss. So
Oh, you mean a python?
yes,
Oh, okay.
the specific species. So
No, not layer. Not layer na lwazi le ngaboni le egubha umhlaba hayi. That one you can kill it. It's fine. Hey, that one is
the
very
mode,
scary.
we're not sure. We're not sure about the mode, but yeah. Now what I'm saying, you must check. Whatever it is, you must check. Ngoba bahlupha laba lo.
Yeah. Montegas. We can make it 8 p.m., bro. It's fine, 8 p.m., bro.
Okay. Let me jump off. I'm doing chat. Thanks, guys.
Sharp, Foxtrot.
Yeah, sharp. Nami ngiyaphuma manje.
Hayi niyaphuma ningishiya ngedwa nami ngiyahamba-ke guys. Hey, sizobonana namhlanje LweSibili. Sizobonana kusasa sikhuluma ngani. Time will tell.
Have you done live step to step, like step by step, whereby we get maybe one person othi ready for ukuvula easy equities on a Capitec account or on a different account, or ofuna kuyi-downloader via app? Yabona, we can just have one person, then we can just direct lapho if ever, or available to watch or listen ukuthi ingenwa kanjani from registering, or like the basics. I don't know if it's possible.
Yeah, i-idea right leyo ngoba yazi futhi if singenza kanjalo kuzo-eliminate nala mibuzo esiba nayo efanayo egruphini.
Yeah, because we can start from where you download the app and put your personal information, because you get verified once you confirm your bank account, and they also run a verification for 48 hours. After the 48 hours, I'm sure they will give you a message telling you that it's verified and all that. If they delay, that means maybe there's certain information that you didn't put. It's either address yako or it's some personal documents that they need. Because I think I also saw someone at the, I think they now want the copy ID or stuff. I don't know, but I haven't like verified on that. So all those steps one by one nje, like up until umuntu abone le 50 rand yakhe, then athenge kuleyo ma-shares afuna kuthenga wona.
Sorry bhuti, Tamil.
Sure bro.
ngicela ungichazela noma ungikhumbuza ukuthi how to analyze ikhampani or ikhampani. Bese ngicela ukuthi siye nje straight sikhulume mhlampe nge-ArcelorMittal, okuyikhampani engicathi i-registered la e-South Africa, ukuthi uyi-analyze kanjani. Njengamanje i-share price yayo ithi ikwi-4.60 rand, let's say ikwi-5 rands. So masenza-ke we-analyzer, what do we check and where do we start?
Normally uFox uses Wall Street, where he goes, because on the account lapana he goes through that those analysis go Wall Street, where he checks the graphs, look at the financials, look at whatever it is, maybe board AGM yabo and all the shufflings that they have that can affect the share price. And the
All right.
scandals, like economically, like we have right now, for example, the scandals are Ramaphosa. All those things
Mm.
affect each share price, and it's always fluctuation according to market at that moment. So I cannot point you direct to one thing. It's an umbrella whereby you have to actually look at everything. Yeah, because
Mm.
stock is sensitive in that matter, and that's what I know. Because I use loyana analysis forex, whereby I just look at the analysis. What's the app again? Let me check the name again.
All right, while esebhizi ubhuti e-check-a la a-check-a khona, sisi,
Yebo bhuti.
ngifuna ukuthi njengamanje kade ngingekho kwi-akhawunti yami, so sengiloge into my-account njengamanje to check ezinye izinto, and then kunamanye ama-companies obowashilo, I think ebelapho emva kwakho ukuthi singawafaka kwi-watch list, or i-Chevron yini Oxy,
Yeah, Oxygen.
aku-USD.
Petroleum Corporation. Yes, it's is equities USD account.
USD. All right, let me check. Oh, okay. Ngizozama ukuwabheka nje manje bese ngisawasearch. Then ngizowafaka kwi-watch list. Although ngizokuwathenga manje, just nje ukuthi abe
Yeah.
khona. Ukuthi yazi lento i-fast uma uyenza ngefoni, manje mase uzoyenza la lezi zinto zenu lezi hayi. Futhi
Mina
Samuel Thelo
ngiyayi-prefer
sekhona. Uprefera ini? I-PC?
prefer i-PC mina kunefoni.
Hey. Oh, okay,
Khona
yasifana.
bhuti ngikhona, I'm just logging in with my PC ne.
Oh. Hey, yona ithatha
Into
isikhathi
engiyithanda
nyana.
nge-PC ukuthi ngithi ngisala ku-easy equities
Cause
mhlawumbe ngithole ngifuna ukubheka something else. Sorry, Samuel.
yeah, you can continue, sorry.
No, ngisachazela usicela ukuthi into engiyithanda nge-PC ukuthi ngithi ngisaku-easy equities mhlambe ngibheka leyo nkampani ethize, then ngiyakwazi ukuya kwenye i-website to check like Wall Street and check about the same thing. So efonini kumuntu vele
Yeah.
nje.
Yes, nami kade
Yeah.
ngenza njalo njengamanje. Ngalesi sikhathi ngibuza ngendaba zoku-analyzer, so ngivule elinye page la. Bathini konje?
And the thing is, if you have Wall Street,
Na
it
iphone
only
iyakwazi kodwa
gives you the
multitask.
draft, just it just gives you the
Oh, yes,
preface
enye
of
into about ama-baskets.
the flow of the market. Okay.
Yeah.
You were talking, bro.
Yeah, bengikhuluma nge-basket ukuthi ama-basket a-useful kangakanani? Angazi uma ne-understand uma ngikhuluma ama-basket.
Ama-baskets like it's another instrument besides just companies. Angithi then there will be
Yeah, lena.
ETFs, basket, unit trust, kanjalo.
Mm. Yeah. So ubona ukuthi ku-right ukuwathenga, like ukuthenga i-basket.
Kuya nge-risk appetite yakho, kodwa-ke ama-returns awayebe mahle kangako kuma-baskets. Kodwa-ke into esingayibheka naleyo mhlawumbe siphinde siyi-discuss in detail.
Oh, okay.
Mm.
Ngoba angithi kumele u-check-e futhi ukuthi yini ephakathi kwi-basket.
Yeah. Kodwa-ke into ofanele u-understande ngayo already it's a basket, fanele wazi ukuthi iy'nkampani ey'hlukahlukene, so
Yeah.
i-performance yakhona. Yes, kumele wazi Montegas uqinisile. Montegas uyasitshela futhi ukuthi kufanele siyijwayeze ukufunda business news.
Ukuthi what's in the basket,
Sijwayele.
yes.
Yes, you must know what's in the basket. Ungavele uthenge nje i-basket and you don't know ukuthi kukhonani.
Uthenga ingulube esesakeni.
Yeah.
And I haven't tried them like ever since I started, because I don't
Nah.
have that
Oh.
much information about.
I mean, understanding is that it's for abantu abane-risk appetite low. So more of umuntu invest aggressive with risk. So I think they are too safe. That's yeah, I could be wrong.
Sisi check i-Oxy angiyitholi yazi kwi-USD. Angiyitholi
Occidental
serious. Oh, ngibhale igcwale.
Petroleum. Awuyibhale kanjalo, Occidental Petroleum Corporation.
Occidental.
Yes,
Yabona
Montegas is free. Conservative
thina
clients,
ngazi.
abantu abangafuni ukulahlekela.
Okay. Petroleum. Right, okay. Alright, no, akuhluphi ngizoyibhala nje eceleni bese ngesikhathi sami-ke ngizoyi-check-a. Chevron.
Yeah, Chevron.
Sicelo, will you be available tomorrow?
Yeah, futhi ngizoba khona. Ngasikhathi ngawu-8 angithi?
Yeah, now 8, so that I can also do my proper research here, so that I can give you something that I really know about. Because now we're gonna check my figures and stuff, but we don't have much information, and also to cover the basket. I think it's
Okay,
something that we need to cover also, because
okay, ngicabanga ukuthi okunye futhi okuzongisiza ukuthi nje ngivele ngihlale ngemumva njengamanje ithi ngikufollow. Ngalokho kuzongisiza futhi.
yeah, it's no problem, bro. Thank you so much. I'll follow back, ne?
Sure. Hayi sengiqedile-ke mina. Then kuzoba easy noma uma uba live uzokhona ukuthi usheshe ngibone futhi same as usisi lapha ngaso sonke isikhathi uma engena ngiyakwazi ukuthi usheshe ngimbambe.
Yeah, no problem.
Sanibonani.
Okay. Yebo, bude SG. Shuthi kusasa
Yebo,
sikhuluma
qhubeka manje.
ngama-unit trust, no, a little bit about baskets, nokuthatha umuntu through i-registration process. So I think kufanele ngenze i-video about that so that people join leyo live. Sizoyeka ukuba ne-question eyodwa, how do I join? How do I sign up? Yabo?
Okay,
Ungaqhubeka
uyaphila nanokuthi
siyaphila futhi njani?
ngi-right nami ngiyaqala ukujoin live yala ekhaya. It's my first time. Kodwa-ke kukho konke so ngike ngakufollowisha nje ey'nsukwini ngilandela ngibuka la uma ngingena ku-TikTok, so ngibuka ama-videos akho, ngibuka just information oyishera with abantu, so yangijabulisa kakhulu empeleni-ke. Kuhle okwenzayo kuyisibusiso futhi ukupha isizwe sakithi noma ukupha iy'ngane zakwethu ulwazi lolu ezilibukela phansi kwesinye isikhathi ngoba zingenayo injule yalo. So right now angazi ngikhuluma ngani ngoba ni-live. Yeah, I think bengifuna ukubuza lokho kwamanje.
Oh, okay. Sabonga futhi ngamazwi akho amahle. Sikhuluma la ngo-easy equities. Ku-easy equities-ke
Easy.
easy equities. Wake wezwa ngayo easy equities?
Okay, anganoma mhlawumbe nginenke network ngizwa.
Ngiyakuzwa mina.
Yeah, ngicela ungichazela about kabanzi easy equities angazi usebenza kanjani.
Naye yena uCapitec kuqala.
Yeah, nginayo Capitec.
Unayo i-app yaka-Capitec.
Yeah, ngina-app ya-Capitec.
Ukuyibone le ndawo ebhalwe ngo-red nje lapha ethi easy equities uma uloga in kwi-app yakho.
Even though ngazi nginaki ukuthi mhlawumbe ikhona ngizoke ngi-check-e ya.
Okuyi-check-ke iyona-ke lento esikhuluma ngayo lana-ke. So into eyenzakalayo la ukuthi siyagqugquzelana ukuthi ake sithenge nathi ama-shares-ke ey'nkampani, siyeke ukubukela abanye abantu beba nemali ngoba umuntu nje wathenga ama-shares ka-Capitec, I think 9 years ago, I think. Umuntu waspenda 1,000 manje nje unemali over 1 million, u-rich kabi.
Oh wow.
Okay. So iyona ndlela abantu abaney'mali abenza ngayo imali ukuthi ba-investe kuma-stocks. Thina siney'nkolelo zethu njengabantu abamnyama ukuthi ukuze ngizoba nemali kufanele ngihambe ngoyi-save ebhenki, ngibe mhlambe nama-savings ngoba nathi-ke
Yeah.
ulwazi sikhule ngalo ngenxa yabantu abasikhulisile abangazazi izinto zey'mali. So-ke manje sidlulile-ke lapho ku-cash, siyadlula-ke manje sifundisana ukuthenga ama-shares ey'nkampani.
Oh wow.
So
Wow.
iyona-ke into esike
So,
sikhulume ngayo la njalo ngo-8 siye size la sizohlangana sifundisane ukuthi-ke yiziphi iy'nkampani esingathenga kuzo, yini into siyibheka kanjani inkampani ukuthi singathenga ama-shares ayo, sibuke ezezimali zayo, yonke nto siyihlaziye nje yonke into ephathelene nokuthenga inkampani, ukuze ungazovela uhambe wena uyothenga noma iyiphi inkampani kanti ayizukwenza kahle. Uyayibona leyo nto. So siye njalo ngo-8-ke siye sihlangane-ke ukufundisana ngakho-ke lokho. Siqhubeke nje ngoba izinto ey'phathelene equities awugcini nje ngokuthi u-create i-account. Uma usu-create-ile i-account kufanele ujule ngolwazi lakho, ufundise ukuthi-ke imaphi-ke iy'nkampani engingathenga la e-South Africa, yiziphi iy'nkampani engingayithenga e-America, ko-Australia, kanjalo kanjalo, ngoba kunama-stock exchange ngokuhlukana kwamazwe ngamazwe. Phinde futhi kube khona nezinye izinto ey'khona-ke ku-equities, o-tax free savings account, indlela esingenza ngayo thina ukuthi siseve kwi-tax la e-South Africa. So izinto esibuye sixoxe ngazo-ke lezo, sifundisane ukuthi yini i-tax free savings account, yenza kanjani, noma-ke singakajuli kakhulu ngoba isikhathi esiningi sisadila nabantu abafana nawo. Mhlawumbe usuke uthola ukuthi uyaqala ungena kwi-live, usafuna ukucathuliswa, usabuza u-basic, uyayibo. So ikhona-ke i-group oyijoyinayo kwi-bio uma usamusha, ukwazi ukuthi ungene khona. Uma usasise mhlawumbe usuyahluleka, uyazama uku-create i-account, uyahluleka, mhlawumbe khona la unama-challenge khona, ukwazi ukuthi ungene kuleyo group ubuze, bazokuchazela nje. Sibaningi, over 300, siyafundisana. Bese kuthi naku-YouTube uyakwazi uyosetsha ulwazi ngesiZulu. Maningi amavidiyo lapha akhona, awakho maningi, kodwa uma usemusha usaqala, ngiku-encourage ukuthi uhambe uye khona ku-YouTube, usetshe ulwazi ngesiZulu, ulalele lawo mavidiyo. Akuthatha step by step, step by step, step by step. Into engekho kulawa mavidiyo manje ngoba babengaka-partnerishi no-Capitec ngesikhathi lawa mavidiyo ngiwenza, kodwa uma ubuka lawa mavidiyo uzo-understand-a nje ukuthi kwenzakalani ku-equities. Bese ubuya kuzojoyina njalo ngo-8 mhlawumbe, ukuthi mhlawumbe nombuzo okubalulekile ukuthi ufanele ukuthi uqale uma ufuna. Kodwa phela akuphoqwa muntu, sifundisana thina umuntu ofunayo, uyabona. Uma ukuthi nawe unaso isifiso ukuthi ube nama-shares kuma-companies, then yeah, senza kanjalo.
Oh wow. Cha, ngiyajabula ukuzwa lokho mama. Cha, ngiyabonga nje nanowesikhathi sakho nanolwazi lakho okwazi ukushare with iy'ngane zakwethu, noma okwazi ukukhulisa ngale iy'ngane zakwethu. Yeah, I think ngiyafisa nami ukuba ne-information eningi ngapha lento eshoyo, and ngoba usho nje since ku-YouTube uveza khona ku-YouTube, I'll try ukuthi na ngihambe ngiyi-check-a so that ngizofunda okunye manje ngiqhamuke yabo, ngibuze lokhu esekungididayo, yabo. So ngiyajabula kakhulu. I'll join ama-lives zakho.
Ngisacela ukubuza la.
Yebo, nganakuza.
Ngizobuza ukuthini manje? Oh, okay. Bengicela ukubuza ukuthi kanti izi-equities ne-Capitec sebengama-partners manje?
Phela njengoba ngithi niyazi ukuthi abantu aba-active, amabhenki aba-active, yiyo phela u-Charles Savage wavele nje waqonda khona ka-Capitec ukuze lama-client lawo, yikho phela ukwazi ukuthola i-app yaka-equities ka-Capitec, ngoba sebe-partnerishile ukwenza ukuthi wena i-transaction yakho ibe lula, ngithi. Yikho nje usukwazi ukuthola i-app i-widget yaka-equities nje. Uma uloga in kwi-app yakho uzobona equities, ukwazi ukulogina khona, futhi kulula-ke asithi mhlambe or i-advantage yokungena ku-Capitec, ku-equities through Capitec, ukuthi awuzulokhu transfer imali uyifaka, ngoba uma uyelinye ibhenki kufanele ukuthi imali uyi-transfer, uyidephozithe kwi-account yaka-equities ukuze uzoqala
nami ngiyayideposit.
yeah. So uma uno-Capitec uvele nje uyakwazi ukuthenga ngebhalansi yakho yaka-Capitec ama-shares. Asikho isidingo sokuthi ulokhu transfer imali ngapha nangapha.
Okay, enye into ebengifisa ukuyisho mina, especially kulaba abasaqala, abangakabi nesikhathi eside kuyo i-equity, mina bengaba-advise ukuthi bethenge kakhulu kulama-shares ala kwiza account. a-cheap, ayathengeka compared to o-USD no-Australia nani nani yabo. Kunzima lapho ngoba kusuke sekukhulunywa enye language yamanje.
Uqinisile sicelo. Uqinisile. Abantu
Ngerandi khona ama-shares aqala
And
from as little as 4 rands.
even under that,
another thing to add. Sorry, you can
no
continue.
problem. Come on, come.
I was adding on to usicelo ukuthi if ever someone aqala is equities, they can also start with the demo account, just to get the feel of his equities, to see what's going on before they really use their money. There's easy equities, let demo account whereby they can just start trading and see the performance of whatever they're doing. So yeah, I think it's another thing they can do.
The thing nge-demo account kunemali enkulu esuke laphaya and mina
Yeah.
yangibhayizisa ngifuna ukuqamba amanga, yayingibhayizisa kakhulu leyo mali ngoba ngangithi ngiyabheka, awu ngibona kufakwa imali engaka and mina ngapha ngifuna uku-investa angithola. So iyabhayizisana le mali
Abanye
uma
bafuna
inkulu
kuyi-withdraw
kakhulu.
le mali. No, that money, I don't think it's for me, that money, I never looked at it in a negative way. For me, that money motivated me. I don't know how you guys feel around money, like figures. When it comes to figures, I don't know how people behave. But for me, it was some sort of a motivation whereby I looked at the money and I knew at first, okay, this is demo and this money, I can use it anyhow. That's why I bought in all the fields that I can. I went into retail, I went into mining, I went into transport, I went into orkant, like the USA market. I went on all the fields that I can find and start to invest there and see how it's to be honest, guys, my demo account is doing better than my current account. And I feel like I can swipe, but yeah, I am happy that I made good choices at first. And all those companies that I invested with demo account are on my watch list. And some of them, obvious, they're in dollars. So in but yeah, it's something that you can consider. You just play around with the demo. Don't be afraid. Yabo. You just get used to it, and it will be easy for you to actually know the names of the companies, so that whenever something is going on out there, especially on Twitter, because anything can trend on Twitter, you will know that, okay, I've seen this company, what's going on in that company, and what's going on in terms of shares, everything yeah correspond.
Thank you so much, Tamil. Uqinisile lapho kodwa yabona vele abantu abafani-ke, kodwa yabona njengami nje, kodwa mina into eyenza lokhu ukuthi ngingafitlishi ne-demo account ingoba ngaleso sikhathi vele ngase nginabantu yabo, ngajoyina izi-equities, ngajoyina ne-group yabantu aba-advanced. So babengayi-entertain nokuyi-entertaina nje indaba like indlela babesho ngayo banginikeza i-perception yokuthi, oh, like you're just wasting your time. Kodwa-ke kubalulekile yonke lento oyishoyo uqinisile ngoba if ukwi-demo account, even if kuthiwa manje awunayo imali othi u-100 rand wami engifuna uku-investa ngawo imali yakho yangempela, ukwazi ukuthenga ama-shares angempela, ngena kwi-demo account usafunda-ke manje, ngoba angithi unenhloso yokuthi u-understand. Ngeke vele uzuwazi ama-stocks nama-listed names wama-companies unga-practice, ungangeni ubheke ukuthi uma ufuna ukuthenga nje asise mhlawumbe ufuna ukuthenga ama-shares aka-Steers, ngeke uzuwazi ukuthi yini i-listed name or u-Steers under which company, ungekho ungazami like uku-investa, yebo. like it's izinto
Yeah.
information yakhona iyala yoku-invest yokuthenga ama-shares uyazi ngokupractice practical ngeke uvele nje
Yes.
ufunde something or ulalele umuntu ashinto then usuyayazi you learn by doing.
Yes. Do you know the mission behind getting a free top up when you open any account that has to do with investing or betting or whatsoever?
Awuchazi.
Every account that you can go into or any field, it's either betting or investment or whatsoever, they will give you a top up. That top up is for you to get into an action whereby you get yourself used to the system and possibly get used to that system so that you can be drawn in and do more, because they all have the same system whereby they have to draw in your attention so that you can get addicted and do more. Like is equities, for some of us, we are addicted. We have the same dopamine as everyone, or out there.
Yeah.
Sonke is addicted. Net is addicted in different ways. Abanye ba addicted to betway, like they know ukuthi bafune babheje even though bangafuni. Some of
Like
us
you.
addicted to easy equities. We even have a stop order where we know that 2,000 rand goes to easy equities, even though I don't have any idea of whatever company I will invest in. So everything you get used to it. If udlala ngayo, that's why that money demo for me is something that I enjoy using. Because before me, it's like this Lwazi. Uh
Mm.
Before I invest with my money to a certain company, I I first check it, right. I do my research, move it to watch list. From watch list, I notice, okay, this company has a potential. I use demo account money. From demo account money, I have like 2-3 weeks watching it. Then from there, I use my money. But after all research, after all yonke into ngiyenzile, I can't just put my own money because Ramaphosa said we are open for investment, people can come, this is a rainbow nation. No, you have to go and know what's happening and know what, okay, whatever they said, it's something that actually has a potential. Then there you can use your money.
Yazi njengoba ukhuluma bhuti ngendaba zama-betting nani nani, I'm busy lapha searching for i-Betway in Hollywood, angibatholi. Bakhona kodwa la kwi-Easy Equity or Abet. Phela lona badla iy'mali zethu labo.
Awume Stelo. Before you go, Stelo, and there's these things that we need to talk with. You asked me about the things that we look at shares, ne? I think
Yes.
tomorrow I will also explain um the top 10 things that we look at, like a time horizon, investment strategy, the fundamentals, the shareholder patterns, the mutual funds, the size of the company, the dividends history, the revenue growth, the volatility, and the bottom lines, whatever target they have as a company. So those things are what we look at. But again, details involved every topic. So all those things, that's why I said it's an umbrella thing. I couldn't just point you direct to one thing. So it's a
Okay.
broad topic for discussion. Something that I haven't mentioned or something that I didn't mention, all folks can go into it. Ulwazi can also emphasize into it, and you can also add on to it. So it's a broad topic to ask me if how do you analyze a stock?
Sure.
That one is a deep question, to be honest.
All right.
Yeah.
Hayi, ngizwa kahle.
Yeah,
Khona
so
nevidiyo I think ifakile izolo amazwibela nje e-presentation ekade yenziwa ngu-Foxtrot nge-weekend. Kubhekwa ukuthi like ungayibuka nje, I think eyayizolo noma yaphambi kwayizolo.
yes,
Uyifake kuphi?
yes, that presentation.
La ku-TikTok.
Alright, ngizoyi-check.
Kuwukuthi phela angeke
I will forward it to
ufunde.
you then.
Please, thank you. I think yazi kule ngosi ziningi izinto esingazifunda nesingayifundisana ngendaba sorry, cishe indaba ze-trading, ngendaba ze-investing. It's just that sometimes-ke siba phela sihlala kulo mhlaba lona we-load shedding, and as soon as kuhamba ugesi ne-network yasihlupha futhi. Yabona nje nangumagebhula nje, umagebhula ubuza ukuthi udinga malini ukuthi angaqala uku-investa. Oh, nawu sebekuphendulile. Emalini encane encane, njengoba kade ngisho kukhona amanye ama-shares amanye are even less than 50 cent. Yabo kulawo nje njengani i-Purple Group inama-shares a-cheap kakhulu.
And City Lodge also is one of the good companies that is performing better for me. Shares lakhona manje, I think it's 350.
Angithi yabo.
So I'm holding more than 100 of shares there. So you can buy many shares. There's many shares that are cheap. Time Bank is still cheap namanje. I think you can confirm that, Ulwazi, you know most. That's our
Yeah.
favorite company. So
And
10 rand can
45.
take you far, guys. Yeah.
Kuwukuthi nje magebhula fanele uqale ungabheki ukuthi uyoze ube nemali eningi nje. Kufanele uqale. Cool guy, you need basic in easy equities. Tomorrow sizobe senza into ya basic, so we will take you step by step. Maybe singenza wena like umuntu osingamenzisa through i-app.
Yeah,
Tomorrow.
cool guy ever uti some of us need basics. Okay, if you can come early, cool guy, you might be the one that we direct uti step by step, this is what you do and this is how you do it and what and until the last step. So whoever is available and say, hey, I'm ready, guys, you can use me, then yes, so banai lana sithi yenza so up until
Yeah.
we're right. So yeah.
Sign up 8 o'clock, cool guy. If i-load shedding isixolele nje 8 o'clock. Usicelo zange uze ukhathwe off. Mina ngiyitshela mhlawumbe uphumile. Akekho umuntu okhathwa off lana but osengizama ukuku-add.
Cool guy, tomorrow 8, ne? Tomorrow 8 p.m.
Ngiyabonga, yazi ngiyaxakeka ngibona awusengiyakhishwa, angazi kwenzakaleni.
Lutho. Mhlambe network mfethu.
Oh, kungenzeka-ke. So i-Time Bank ikhona lana ngiyithola.
U-Time Bank u-under African Rainbow Capital. I-listed name leyo. Wena search African Rainbow Capital. Just i-advise even komunye sithi mhlambe njengoba ngenza i-example ngo-Steers. U-Steers naye ngeke uze umthole uma uthenga i-Wednesday njalo kufanele ube nawo ama-shares. Kodwa akekho listed u-Steers, kodwa ku-listed i-company u-Steers aka-under yona, which is Famous Brands. So uma ukuthi asikho la kwi-live, akekho umuntu ozobuza kuyo, iya ku-Google uthi what is the listed name for Steers on the JSE. Ubuze uGoogle uzokutshela. What is the listed name for Time Bank on JSE? Bazokutshela. Just advise, i-advise nami enganikezwa yona which engisebenzela kakhulu. Ingakhohlwa i-healthcare 5.
Stilo, are you holding any from? Sorry. Okay,
From
angithi Stilo, are you holding any from Time Bank, like shares?
yeah, nginayo i-ARC, yes, i-African Rainbow Capitals.
Yes, yes.
Asike futhi
Sanibonani
amagebhodi.
bro. Ninjani?
Siyaphila njani futhi?
Siyaphila man. Ey, ngifuna ukusizakala. Ngihlale ngihlupha ngalento yoku-investa. Ngiphinde ngingatholi umuntu ozongikhanyisela kahle yazi.
Okay-ke futhi magebhula yabona nje kusasa-ke wena yenza sure ukuthi ngo-8 uzobe uyajoyina ngoba sizobe sichaza kahle kusukela ekuqaleni nje. Ma ukuthi mhlambe nawe uzobe u-early ukwazi ukwenza, ma unefoni uzongena ngayo ku-TikTok, mhlambe ube nenye ifoni uzokwazi ukuthi ube wenza ngesikhathi sichaza. Sizobe sichaza sithatha umuntu from usaqala nje ungakabi nalutho nje ungakabi ne-akhawunti. Wenza kanjani ukungena ku-easy equities. Iyajula-ke into ka-easy equities. Lokho esizokwenza kusasa ukuqala nje kuphela ukuthi uqala kanjani, uyi-create-a kanjani i-akhawunti, ufakani ufakani ufakani. Emva kwalokho-ke nangu-ke easy equities usunayo kuseningi futhi ulwazi ofanele ube nalo, kodwa akufanele uthuke mangithi usazojula ngo-easy equities ngoba njengoba silana njengo-8 sikhonela lokho ukuthi mase ngijulile ngihluleka ngingakwazi mhlambe ukuhlaziya inkampani ukuthi yini ekufanele ngibheke, silana kukwenza leyo nto ukuze sisaphothane, sifundisane, sicathulisane ukuze ngingazufika ungabe kungekho umuntu ozothi ayi mina iyangihlula lento, angazi nokuthi kwenzakalani, akekho nomuntu ozongibuza. Yikho sinale community sihlangana la ngo-8 zonke iy'nsuku. So-ke soqala kusasa-ke ufunde ujoyine-ke i-live kusasa ukuze uzokwazi ukuthi sikuthathe step by step, step by step, step by step. Uyayibona?
No, kuyezwakala. Eish, iyodwa into ezongiphazamisa. Ngiphatha ifoni eyodwa yabona.
Okay. Akusho ukuthi wena uzolalela nje bese wenza sure ukuthi mhlambe emva kwakhona usuyangena-ke, kodwa naku-YouTube akhona amavidiyo achazayo ukuthi uyenza kanjani ilona. Nakhona ngichaze ngesiZulu. Uma uya nje ku-YouTube useshe ulwazi ngesiZulu, bhaliwe how to sign up, how to add ama-personal details, yonke nje leyo nto ngiyichazile ngesiZulu. Kuwukuthi-ke lawo mavidiyo madala mhlawumbe aya-over 2 years ngoba bengaka-partnerishi no-Capitec. So i-information yaka-Capitec ayikho laphayana. Kodwa-ke ma uno-Capitec awudingi ukudownload-a i-app yaka-Easy Equities ngoba uma ngabe ukuthi mhlawumbe usebenzisa lawa amanye amabhenki o-Standard nobani nobani, kufanele udownload i-app from uPlay Store. I-app ethi Easy Equities njengoba ebhaliwe laphaya, udownload yena bese emva kwalokho uyasayina up-ke, ufaka i-username, password kanjalo kanjalo esizokwenza kusasa sifundisane. Ma uno-Capitec uvele nje uye ku-Google uthi sign up, create i-username, create i-password bese uya kwi-app yakho yaka-Capitec usuyofaka leyo ma-login details-ke. Kube lula kanjalo uma ngabe uno-Capitec ukuthi uvele ungene khona ukuze uzokwazi ukuthi uthenge ama-shares usebenzise ibhalansi yakho yaka-Capitec.
No,
Kodwa
hayi icacile yona.
uzoyibamba nje lula yona once waqala nje wa-practice-a ngoba u-practical into efunakala ngo-Easy Equities. Ukukhuluma nje akusizi ngalutho, fanele ukuthi ube wenza. Noma ngabe ufunda into eyodwa ngosuku, ufunda into eyodwa ngosuku. Uyabo?
Yeah.
Yebo.
No, hayi ngichazelekile because inhloso yami mina ngihlala ngi-ready ngingaqala noma yini. That's why lapha kuma-comment ngithe even nge-$200 ngingaqala ngayo this Friday yabona.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ku-right impela. Sike sibe nemali nje ngoba phela imali siyayibhubhudla bakwethu. At least kube wazi ukuthi enye uyayibhubhudla, wazi ukuthi imali yakho iphelelepi, kodwa ube nayo nje othi ngiyayikhomba le even in 10 years ngizobe ngisayikhomba ukuthi lo i-effort yami ya-200 mhlambe ngenyanga nansi uyayibona.
Yeah.
Mm.
No, kuyazwakala mama, kuyazwakala. Konje kusasa i-point uba no-8.
8 o'clock.
Okay. Ngizosetha la efonini. Ngiyabonga.
Siyabonga bhuti.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Ungamfanisa nani izi-equities na umbuzo? Ungamfanisa nani izi-equities? Izi-equities ngingamfanisa nani konje? Izi-equities ngingamfanisa nani? Izi-equities zingamfanisa ne-akhawunti yaka-Betway ngoba ngibona ukuthi ufake umdlalo webhola. Izi-equities zingamfanisa no-Betway. No-Time will tell uzongivumela. Ngingamfanisa no-Betway. Njengoba ka-Betway angithi uyafaka imali yakho, ubetha ama-odds akho, angazi nanokuthi yini ama-odds. Kufana ne-J_S_E, mhlawumbe i-J_S_E akayazi mhlawumbe if izi-equities mhlawumbe efuna ukufaniselwa yena nje nento ethize mhlawumbe am-understand ukuthi vele Time will tell. Izi-equities zingamfanisa no-Betway. Ka-Betway ufaka imali yakho, ngiyacabanga uzofaka imali noma bekunika u-R50 wokuqala udliwe kodwa uyagembula. Ufaka imali bese uyakwazi ukuthi uthenge-ke lezo zinto zakho-ke othengayo. Naka izi-equities uyayifaka imali ukwazi ukuthi uthenge ama-shares-ke. Umahluko-ke laphaya ukuthi lo mgembulo waka izi-equities uhlelekile. Owey'nkampani ey'philayo ozaziyo, o-Shoprite, o-Pep, obani, o-Time Bank. Ifana naye u-Betway. Ngiyathemba ngikufanisele ngikwenze umfaniseko o-right. I-WhatsApp link engathi ayisebenzi siya. Bakhona abangenayo, bakhona abangakwazi ukungena. Ngizobhala inamba yami la. Ma ungisendela i-message i-WhatsApp, ngicela ukuthi usho ukuthi ngicela ungi-ede kulona kwi-Easy-Equities WhatsApp group. Ungangibingeleli, ungasho ukuthi hi, hello, how are you? Uvele nje ukuhlala odabeni. Kulula kanjalo ngoba maningi ama-message engiwangenayo nama-group engikiwo ave angazi I think angikuma-group more than ukuba nama-contacts efonini ku-WhatsApp. Uvele nje ungene endabeni siya. Okay-ke ngenza kwethu u-10 manje isikhathi asilaleni. Sibonane kusasa. Amafutha emvubu asizaphi? Angiwazi ukuthi asizaphi amafutha emvubu. Angiwazi, ngaze awenhlwathi. Ngizokwenzela ividiyo khuleka ngiqaba. Khona ngizokubhekela ukuthi asizaphi amafutha emvubu. Uzoba nayo imali uma uthanda ukuba nemali. Ngoba nje uyafisa uzoba nayo wena siya. Bye bye yini guys. Asibonaneni kusasa ngo-8 o'clock. Ngizozama ukwenza ividiyo izinto esizobe sikhuluma ngazo kusasa ukuthi sobe senza lokhu nalokhu, including lokhu Time will tell akade ukusho ukuthi-ke na 10 basic things afanele uyibheke ngama-stocks. Kodwa-ke sizoxoxa nako-WhatsApp ukuze yabo ngizokwenza ividiyo e-right. Goge izi-properties angithi phela kusuke ku-raise capital yokuyothenga leyo investment. Asithi mhlambe i-property se-Sandton ngenza i-example. So bathatha iphesenti elithile kuma-investors okuwena nami nomunye esizohamba siyothenga lawo ma-shares. So kuba ne-target ukuthi okay bafuna le mali i-raise nayi during leyo period mhlambe ngaba inyanga ngaba yileso sikhathi abasibekayo. Bese-ke mina nawe sobe sesingina ngithi uyawabona ama-properties ufuna uku-investa kuyo leyo property, uthenge wena ufake imali yakho. Bazobe mase seyenza i-income i-property, uzokwazi ukuthi uthole ngokwemali oyifakile ngama-shares owatholile, ama-shares wena onawo kuleyo property. Azodetermine le mali othenge ngayo phela. Bese-ke mangabe isiyenza i-income i-property, niyakwazi ukuthi nihlomuleke ngalawo ma-shares alingana nalawo wathenga ngayo, seniyacazelwa-ke. I'll make research and ask you questions. Ayikho inkinga, Apollos. Wenze research. Ma uno-Capitec nje, that's your clue. Qala lapho Capitec yakho, ubone le widget ebovu lapho ukuthi ithini. Easy equities. Ma uloga in kwi-app yakho yaka-Capitec, ileyo-ke ila esikwazi ukuthenga khona-ke. Qale lapho. Baba yini nganza kwethu. Sibona nini kusasa ngo-8 sharp.